Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PRV Solution. In this lecture, we will study about the measuring instrument. Measuring instrument may be defined as a device for determining the value or magnitude of a quantity or variable. Measuring instruments is also known as measuring tool, which is used to measure the value of a quantity or variable. We are studying here electronic instruments, so we must know about the electronic instrument functional elements. So firstly we will define what is electronic instrument. An electronic instrument is the one which is based on electronic or electrical principles for its measurement function. Means electronic instrument uses some electrical circuits for its for the measurement purpose. The measurement of any electronic or electrical quantity or variable is termed as an electronic measurement. Sometimes when we will measure voltage, current, these are the electronics quantity. These type of measurement is known as electronic measurement. There are many advantages of electronic measurement over other measurements. So first one is the most of the quantities can be converted by transducers into the electrical or electronic signals. Any quantity which you want to measure can be converted into electrical or electronic signal. All I think electronic students all know this. What is transducer? Second is an electrical or electronic signal can be amplified, filtered, multiplexed, sampled and measured. So if we can measure small amount of quantities also, because we are using here electric circuits, so electric signals can be amplified, so it has advantages. The measurement can easily be obtained in or converted into digital form for automatic analysis and recording. We can convert any measurement into digital form and store that in any device for further analysis and research purposes also. So this is also an advantage of the electronic measurement. The measured signals can be transmitted over long distances with the help of cables or radio links without any loss of information. So no telemetry is used for the transmission of the signals from one point to another point. This is the topic of telemetry. Electronic circuits can detect and amplify very weak signals and can measure the events of very short duration as well. So this is same point as second point. So we can amplify weak signals, so we can measure any events of small duration also with the help of electronic measurement. In this slide we will cover the functional elements of an instrument. Most of the measurement system contain three main functional elements. They are primary sensing elements, variable conversion elements, data presentation element. Figure shows the function elements of the instrument. Quantity to be measured is applied to primary sensing elements. Then this is further converted to data conditioning elements, which converts variables into a suitable form so as to accepted by next stage of the instrument, that is data transmission element. In between data transmission and data presentation element, you can store data for later use. Data presentation element uh, present the data to the observer. Let's have some small discussion about these blocks. Primary sensing element. Primary sensing element is the first element which which is in contact with the measurand. It senses the quantity under measurement. Generally, it is a transducer which converts any physical quantity into electrical equivalent. Second is variable conversion element. It modifies suitably the output of the primary sensing element. Primary sensing element is generally a transducer, so it will give electrical signal. Sometimes these signals are not acceptable by the system. For example, if a system accepts digital signals but primary sensing element is giving analog signal, so we will need some analog to digital conversion or converter circuit. This is the function of variable conversion element. Variable manipulation element. Variable manipulation element manipulate the signals by preserving the original nature of it. It only changes the numerical value. An example of the variable manipulation element is analog amplifier, in which accepts weak signal and amplifies it, and it preserves the original nature. Next element is data transmission element. The transmission of data from one point to another point is done by the data transmission element. So it is generally used for transmission of data from one point to another point. And last is the data presentation element. The measured quantity must be presented to the value of measured quantity must be presented to the observer. So they will use some display or readout devices to present the value of the measurand to the observer. Generally, these are digital emitter and log emitters. Some recorders can also be used for as a data presentation elements. An example of measuring instrument is shown in the block diagram, which is an ammeter used for measuring the current. Current is firstly applied to the moving coil, which is a primary sensing element. It senses the current, and then this is given to the magnets and other components, which is a data conditioning element. So whenever current is passed through a coil, some force will be exerted on it. So data conditioning elements converts current into corresponding force that is acceptable by the mechanical linkage, which is a data transmission element which transfers the force into the deflecting pointer. It will transfer to the pointer and scale, which is known as data presentation element. So current is amplified by the mechanical linkage, which further deflects the pointer on the scale, and we will get reading, or observer will get the reading. This is all about the measuring instrument.